10th French sample paper, the comprehension passage. Comprehension is écrite with you, which holds 10 marks in the okay. So this is a very important topic, and many people, many students are unable to attend this particular question. So I'm here to help you out in doing your comprehension des écrits. Shall we start? I'm sharing the question paper on the screen. Okay. If you want, you can message me on the comment box. If you need the question paper, I'll provide the question paper to you. Okay. So meanwhile, I'm here sharing with you the question paper on the screen. I hope everyone can see the question paper. This question paper is of the total marks that the question paper holds is 80. Okay, you can see this is 80 marker paper. Okay, and this particular paper is an 80 marker paper, and the duration of this paper is 3 hours, and the section A is comprehension, and this holds 10 marks. Okay, so this section has a picturestic comprehension passage. So many of the questions will come from the images also. So you have to be very careful, and you need to read the things which are given in the image also, because it holds a lot of importance in this particular comprehension passage. Shall we go? So as you can see that the first question is lisez le texte, regardez l'image et ensuite répondez aux questions suivantes, which means read the text, okay, regardez la image, see the image, and then answer the questions. So this all are la histoire des logos de SNCF, which means the history of logo of SNCF. So these are the logos of SNCF. If you wonder what is SNCF, SNCF is as like as IRCTC in India. So SNCF is the Railway Department of France. The full form of SNCF is Société Nationale des Chemins de Fer Français. So this is the full form. Okay. So this is the full form of this, which is Société Nationale des Chemins de Fer Français, which is the Railway Department of France. So you can see the years along with the logos. This is 1939, 1947, 1967, 1986, 1992, and 2005. With the year, the logos are different. Okay, so now we read this last paragraph. Lesson CF fait parfois des miracles. Parfois is sometimes. Okay, lesson CF sometimes in some time has made some miracles. What are the miracles? With the TGV, along with the TGV, it has made some miracles. Ilami pari ala combine. It has put Paris in the countryside. What does that means? You know, the many people, those who are working in Delhi, they come from their surroundings. Okay, and the people, those who are working in Noida and Gurgaon, they go from Delhi. So this is all because of metro. It is possible. So here this is possible because of TGV. Because the traveling time goes very less. Fine. Il faut 50 minutes pour traverser Paris au metro. It takes only 50 minutes. How many minutes? 50 minutes for to travel in Paris in metro. This is 8 minutes more than for to go to Chartres-en-Trans. Chartres is again a name of a place, a name of a town, a name of a city in France. Okay, so if you add 8 more minutes to it, okay, you can reach, okay, to Chartres in train. Okay, so avec la multiplication de lignes, with the multiplications of lines in TGV, Paris have never become aussi proche. Proche is also became near. Proche is near. The opposite of proche can be loin. So the opposite of proche, it can be loin. Loin is far. Okay, fine. So proche is near. They wear qui bord la île de France. Les mâts, Tours, Rouen, Orléans, Chartres ou Amiens ne sont plus que une heure de la capitale. Okay, so they are not more than 1 hour from the capital. So all these cities, with the help of TGV, we can travel in less than an hour. Okay, so du coup, les provinciaux sont de plus en plus nombreux à venir travailler chaque jour à Paris. So most of the workers, travailleurs, work. Okay, so most of the people come to work. They come to work. Okay, every day to Paris. The people who are living in the countryside, living in Rouen, living in Orléans, everywhere. Okay, they come to work here. Fine. So I'm clearing this and we'll go to the next paragraph. Now, avantage decisive. This means the decisive advantage of this. So what is affecting why people are not living in Paris? Why they are um, okay to go and shift to its banlieue apart from Paris. Okay, so a grand the PS, a big two pieces in the sense sections. Okay, so let the grand PS a Paris coûte aussi cher. Cher is expensive. Que appartement de 100 mètres carrés en place entre the Rouen and the Tours. So the apartments are less expensive in Rouen and Tours. Okay. Le rêve the numéro parisien. Le rêve is the dream. The dream. The dream of Paris people. The house with the garden. So many of the Paris people, they dream of the house with garden. So has become a reality now because they can travel within TGV to its banlieues. They can stay over there. Lot of Parisians are cèdres par l'idée de aller s'installer dans les villes situées au-delà grand banlieue. Déjà trop urbanisé. So these cities are already very modernized. Okay. So pollution, prix du loyer, the price of rent. Okay, circulation is traffic, automobile is something more the insecurity. These are the reasons why people don't want to live in Paris. Say something more the insecurity is sentiment of insecurity. Say l'atmosphere, the petit via a chaleureux, so lively or hot atmosphere. Comme à Rouen et Tours, like as of Rouen and Tours. Okay, so Salut le texte. Now we go to the questions. Okay, répondez aux questions suivantes de Oshua, which means you will be given 3 questions. You have to attempt any 2. So see to it. And very importantly, you should write a complete phrase. Complete phrase is required over here. If you don't write a complete phrase, okay, you will not be able to fetch marks because the total marks here are given as 4. So each question is awarded 2 marks over here. Okay. So salon le texte, combien de minutes faut-il pour aller de Paris à Chartres en train? So how many minutes it takes for to go to from Paris to Chartres en train? So we read it earlier, 50 minutes and 8 more minutes if you count. Okay, you can go to Chartres. So I think 50 plus 8 becomes 58 minutes. So according to me, he should construct the answer like this. Salon le texte. Okay, il faut, one must have 58 minutes pour aller de Paris à Chartres en train. So construct the answer. Okay, so how we will write? Salon le texte. Il faut, okay, 58 minutes pour aller, okay, pour aller de Paris à Chartres en train. If you people are wondering where from I taken this answer, I'll show you from where I have taken this answer. So for this, I have to clear the drawing first, okay, and I have to go to the previous page. And here you can see that I'm underlining the lines. I'm underlining the lines from where I have taken the answer. So it is written il faut 50 minutes pour traverser Paris au métro, c'est 8 minutes plus pour aller à Chartres. You can write the same answer. I have reconstructed the answer, whereas you can write these lines also for framing the answer. Both are correct. Okay, fine. So this is the answer for the first part. Now the second question, what does the second question says? The second question says that selon l'image, en quelle année on a créé le premier logo de l'entreprise? So in which particular year the first logo of the company was created? So when was the first logo of company was created? If I scroll the page again, I can see where is the company logo. So the company logo, the first logo was created in the year 1939. This is the first thing which is given. So I'm scrolling back the page. Okay, so this is how we are going to write. We are going to write a salut la image. Okay, on a créé le premier logo de l'entreprise. You are going to remove this on quelle année. Then you are going to write it, remove the question mark on what was the year? 1837. If I'm not wrong, let me check it again. No, it is 1939. Okay, so I am going to erase this answer again. So this is 1939. So in 1939, the first logo was created. Now enumerate the raisons pour lesquelles certains Parisiens s'habillent à 100, 150 et 200 km de Paris. So what are the sentiments? What are the reasons? You have to give two reasons why the Paris people are going and settling away from Paris, that is 100, 150, and 200 kilometers. So the answer is given here. I am taking a green color pen to tell you the answer. So the reasons are given here. What are the reasons? This is pollution. Okay. I hope you can see the green color pen which is marked on the screen. Pollution, prix au lieu, circulation automobile, and sentiment d'insécurité. C'est pour cela que certains Parisiens sont installés à, this is the whole answer till here. So this is the answer for the third question. So you need to write only two answers, okay? Because there is a choice, you have to write only two. Okay, so you think that uh, what are the questions I can fetch the answers very clear and cut. They are very straight answers given. So you will consider those questions only. Don't put yourself in a risk. Now, the second B part is écrivez vrai ou faux. Write true or false. Now, we are going to write true or false. That is, selon le texte, Paris a été mis à la campagne grâce au TGV. What do you mean by grâce? Grâce is thanks to. Okay, so why this Paris has been uh, settled in the countryside? This is because of TGV only. They were able to settle in the countryside, the banlieue, the surroundings. Okay, so this is vrai. So this all happened because of TGV. Yes. Les gens qui habitent dans les villes situées au-delà de la grande banlieue. Banlieue is countrysides or surroundings. Okay. Ne vivent pas à Paris. They don't come to Paris for work. Thanks to the multiplication of lines of TGV. They can come to Paris for work because of multiplication of lines of TGV here, but it is given ne and pa, which makes the sentence into negative. Okay, so we are going to mark this as false. The sentence is wrong. If ne and pa would have removed from there, okay, so this would have become a vrai sentence. Okay, la vraie phrase. Les gens qui habitent dans les petits villes comme Rouen et Tours sont chaleureux. The people who lives. So we are not going to talk about the people who are living in the banlieue. We are talking about the atmosphere of banlieue. The atmosphere of banlieue is lively. So we are not talking about the people over there. Gens means people. So here this again becomes false. Now, la banlieue de Paris est déjà trop urbanisée. Urbanisée is modernized. So here we read in this particular paragraph, okay, I think this is the previous paragraph for this particular paragraph. Yeah, it is written here. Okay, you can see. Okay, this is an arrow I have put. So here it is written that the surroundings have become more urbanized or modern. So this is Ray again. Beaucoup de Français rêvent d'avoir une maison sans jardin. Sans means without. What is sans? Without. So they need a they need a house without a garden? No, they need a house with the garden. So avec le jardin, if it would have come, so this sentence might have gone vrai. But now the sentence is faux. Les Parisiens ne pensent pas à s'installer dans les villes situées au cela de la Grande Banlieue. The Paris didn't think of going and installing in the cities situated in the big banlieue. Okay, so they did not think. Okay, but this is for because they are right now living. This sentence is going in present tense, so we will mark it as for. Okay, now you have to take out trouver dans le texte is take out from the text. Okay, so we have to take out some words from the text. The first one is in conjunction. Conjunction in English is conjunction. Conjunctions are the words which join two sentences. Okay, so when the words they join two sentences, there are certain conjunctions. I'm writing it on the screen so that you people can take note of those conjunctions, and these conjunctions you can find in the particular paragraph. The conjunctions can be a, that is and, ou, that is or. Okay, then this is puis, that is then. Then you have quand, that is when. Okay, puis mais, that is but. Okay, pourquoi is also an is a Pasque is also in conjunction. Okay, so these are all conjunction. So these are conjunctions in French language. You can find any of the conjunction in this particular paragraph very easily. Okay, so here I can find A. So I'm marking it with another color pen so that you people can identify. It is there here in the last particular paragraph, in last words, you can see A is given. So I can write A here as an conjunction. Adjective. Adjective you will find either before the noun or after the noun, and adjective are the words which qualifies the noun. Okay, so they will have always an accord with them. Es उनके पीछे हमेशा लगा हुआ होगा. The very common adjectives are grand, petit, ये सब. So now we are going to see here. The first adjective here is avantage decisive. Decisive is an adjective. Okay, here you can see grand. Grand is an adjective. So we found our adjective over here as grand, whereas many more adjectives were there. The form nominal. Nominal means a noun form. I always tell the students to identify the nominal form by the first four alphabets of the word. The first four alphabets of the words match with the noun in the text. So POLL here. So you can see here the same phrase POLL starting with POLL as a noun. So this is particular word is the noun of polluer. So the pollution is the nominal form of polluer. Loin is far away. I told you the opposite of loin is proche, which was given it before. Also, proche is nearby. If près is also considered as the opposite of loin, but it was not given in the text. Synonym. Synonym is the the similar word of affectors. Affectors is which is affecting. So here, this particular synonym here will be decisive. The synonym of affectors is decisive, which is a negative impact, over here. Okay, I hope you understood how to attempt the question. This is a sample paper, and the questions of these kind will come in your board examination also. So apply these small techniques to identify the answers from the text. Remember one thing, your answer will be given in the text. Now, nothing you have to write apart from the text. Okay, so read your text very carefully to answer it. And please follow the choices also. The two answers that you know for sure, please do write them. Don't try to attempt all the questions. Why I'm telling you? Because the examiner who will correct the paper, the particular person is going to consider the first two of answers only. If you are writing the three answers, he is not going to consider all your three answers. He is going to consider only the first two. It, no matter if they are right or wrong, he is going to consider your first two answers only. Okay, so please do go according to the choice. Don't answer extra questions in your paper. Okay, and follow this particular pattern of answering. You will get 10 marks in your comprehension passage for sure. Okay, now I'm ending this Oruva e Abianto. I will come with section B soon of the sample paper, which comprises of 20 marks. I'll tell you how to write a letter. Okay, how to attempt a question of dialogue and completing the story and the invitation or message. Till the time, Oruva e Abianto, please do like my channel. Subscribe to it if you find something interesting and you are learning something new. And for the more updates, Oruva and Abianto, thanks for watching.